Model GRT-MIni is the smallest three-phase cutting unit with carbide counterblade for textile and technical textiles applications up to 25 millimeters thickness. A toolless variable finger protection fulfills highest standards of safety. With the half-automatic sharpening device, the blades can be reconditioned in less than 10 seconds without dismantling. The machine can be fixed on O.E.M systems by using the aluminum flange. The GRT-MIni is widely applied in textile, leather, light carpet, or technical fabrics field. The three-phase induction motor is balanced and noiseless. This cutting unit does not need any maintenance, so as to be easily used during the production process on 24 hours a day. The machine can be used for cutting edges and stripes, as well as for cross-cutting. Blades in HSS steel and full hard metal quality with different shapes convert the Rasor GRT-MIni into a universal three-phases cutting unit for all industrial requests with small spaces. The delivery contains the GRT-MIni, an extra blade, accessories, and the CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation download. Dimensional 3D files are available on request. Please ask us. Contact us for further information.